Hi and welcome. This is the competitor analysis suite that we have available within our SEO tools. Now, if you've only added a single project and you only have a single site within that project, you're going to see something like this. You need to have added at least one competitor to be able to run a competitor analysis. And you also have to have crawled that competitor as well as the main site in order to run the analysis. Now, if you've done that already, then you will see a screen that's more similar to this, where you have your site automatically selected and a list of competitors where you can choose to select any of those competitors and then run the analysis. The analysis will run, and once that analysis is run, you'll be taken through to this screen here, where you can see a whole range of information comparing your site to your competitors. Thanks for watching.